Hey guys, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are going to cover the topic of how to clear or delete or remove or forget all the data from your added cookie. Okay, so we have stored this all cart data into our cookie, right? So Laravel cookie we are using and storing these data. So now what we want to do, we are unsetting by deleting it one thing, but we are not making the clear. I just want to clear all the cards. So when we click on this card, clear card, that time your cookie data should get refreshed. I mean, just forget. Everything should be destroyed. So guys, as we can see in the blog I have done. So finally we reached at the last task about to clear the or delete the cookie in Laravel. So now step 7.1, let's copy this file and paste in our custom.js. So let's copy this and move to our VS Code, and this is our custom file which we have linked to the page of cart. So guys, now what we have to do, we have to create a class on this name with the button. So we'll move to on our cart page. As you can see, I'll just show you where we are. Okay, so this is our cart table design. As you can see over here, not here, it's here. So image, product name, quantity, remove. Okay, granted. So this is our cart page, and the clear cart is your name at this. So let's paste that name which we have just now copied it. So let's copy this cart name and paste in the class clear cart. Done. So once done with that, if you click here, that action perform should be performed. So let's move to our custom.js. Once you click that, the Ajax call we are doing it, and we are going to a route called clear cart, and let's set up the route over here in our web.php. So this is our route, and now we will move to a blog and see. Now let's copy this route. So let's just copy it, Control C and paste. So let's paste over here and create a function with this name in your cart controller. So this is our cart controller, and now we will do with this. So just let us copy the function which we have created for this shopping cart. So this is my cookie name, shopping cart cookie name. This is my cookie name which we have created shopping cart in the beginning for adding it, and then cookie forget value which we are pasting it. Done. So make sure you are including this cookie at the top, and then return a response status your cart is cleared, where you will get in the Ajax success here. So this is the status which you are pasting it, response.status. Done. So now this is a alertify thing which is bootstrap alertify to show the message, and then after success we are loading the page once cleared the cart your cookie things. So let's just reload this page, and if I click this, the data should get cleared and your page should be reloaded. So let us just click on it and check. I have clicked it, your cart is cleared and page got loaded, and after loading your cart is currently empty. Cool. So finally we have completed the fifth task of cookie, that is create, read, update, delete everything we have and forget the things which in coming into the cookie. So that is nothing but the shopping cart which we are creating it. How to make a shopping cart using cookie. So cookie CRUD operation we have completed now, and now guys we will jump to the next, that is the checkout page, and start with the integration of payments. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share.